Hello everyone. We will continue with our 13th chapter, the Indian Constitution. First, some basic principles were decided and agreed upon. So these are the basic principles which were agreed by all the members of the Constituent Assembly. The first one is India will be sovereign republic. It means it will have several states with autonomous power. It will be democratic. That is, it will secure justice, equality, and freedom to all its citizens. Thirdly, the interest of minorities, tribals, and depressed classes will be safeguarded. So, out of these principles, the three are: first one, it will be sovereign republic. Beta, meaning of sovereign I will explain you later in this lesson. Again, it is a topic given in your reader. But sovereign means that the country is divided into several states with one supreme power or one power at the center. Second principle is democratic country. Democracy means it will secure justice, equality, and freedom to all its citizens. And the third principle was the interest of minorities, tribals. Minorities means people who are less in number. Tribals and depressed classes will be safeguarded. Fourth principle was India will work for world peace and welfare of all mankind. So fourth principle was India will work for world peace and welfare of all mankind. This is called Objectives Resolution, and it was moved by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. These became the guiding principles of drafting the Constitution. So, based on these four principles, our Constitution was drafted. Then, a drafting committee chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar means Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Prepared a draft constitution for discussion. Several rounds of thorough discussion took place on the draft constitution clause by clause. There were intense debates on all important provisions. They were examined from different points of views, and finally discussions were taken by majority vote. So, when draft constitution was made, a drafting committee was also made. That is, a group of elected members. They were drafting the constitution, and it was chaired by, means the chairperson or the chairman of this drafting committee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, that is Bhim Rao Ambedkar. He prepared the draft constitution. Several rounds of thorough discussion. That is, every topic, whatever they have written, thorough discussion was there, and each discussion they have seen minute points from different point of views. And clause by clause, that is, every point whatever they have written, they have intense debates and from different point of views, and finally the decision was taken by majority vote. That is, they casted their vote that how many yes or no, how many supported the discussion or supported the clause, and how many were against the clause. So decision of majority was taken. More than 2,000 amendments to the draft constitution were considered. The members deliberately for 114 days spread over 3 years. Every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. These are called Constituent Assembly debates. So, more than 2,000 amendments were done to the draft constitution. Before the final constitution was made, 2,000 amendments. Amendment means changes in the constitution. So 2,000 times they have changed the constitution, and they took 114 days, which were spread over 3 years. That is, every day they never sat. In gap of or in a time of 3 years, they have worked for 114 days. and whatever words, each and every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly was recorded, and those records are preserved also. And these records are known as Constituent Assembly debates. Today we have learnt about the basic principles of the Constitution and its drafting. For your homework, write some basic principles which were decided and agreed upon. Who moved the objectives resolution? Thank you.